Domino's,
पिज्जा,
McDonald's,
बर्गर,
Red Bull.
एनर्जी ड्रिंक।
मैं Red Bull एनर्जी ड्रिंक कंपनी है नहीं, तो Red Bull करती क्या है? चलो फिर बताता हूँ। Well, Red Bull ड्रिंक की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तो एक ऑस्ट्रियन कंपनी राउच करती है। Red Bull as a company focuses on the marketing of the product and spends nearly 35% of its revenue to market it. Red Bull endorses itself to be associated with the extreme sports and be cool to attract the target audience, that is youth. So making a man jump from space or climbing up a giant wall or F1 drivers racing the world's busiest street. Hey, watch out! So they either host an event or create one. So be it extreme sports, music festivals or football team, Red Bull is just everywhere. Their target consumers are everywhere, making them think what all they can do just by having that drink. So what do you think of this marketing strategy of Red Bull? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, follow StockyDodo for your financial learning on the go.